Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate noodles. Start by gathering flour, cocoa powder, sugar, eggs, and milk, then measure precisely and pre-sift dry ingredients. Mix wet and dry components gently to form a pliable dough, chill briefly to firm, and roll thinly before cutting. Cook noodles in simmering water for just a minute or two until tender, then toss with butter or syrup and serve warm. Gather ingredients and prep your workspace for a smooth workflow. Measure flour, cocoa, sugar, and salt precisely, then whisk dry ingredients to remove lumps. Beat eggs and add milk slowly while stirring to form a cohesive dough. Adjust liquid to avoid a sticky mess. Wrap dough and chill in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, which makes rolling thin noodles faster and neater when you return to the counter. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup effortless, and it's great at picking up noodle crumbs after cooking. It's a small time saver that keeps your kitchen tidy so you can focus on cooking and plating. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bring a large pot of water to a gentle boil and add a small splash of oil to keep noodles separate. Cook the chocolate noodles in small batches for 1 to 3 minutes depending on thickness, then drain and toss immediately with butter or a sweet syrup to prevent clumping. Plate with fresh berries or a light dusting of powdered sugar for contrast, and enjoy warm for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.